In this video, I'm going to show you how to use 000WebHost.com's file manager to upload a file to your website, to your domain. I start by going out to 000WebHost.com and logging in. I have a form filler here that I'm using. I'm going to fill the forms and make sure that I type the image correctly. That's a P. And that will be different for you every time. I get a list of domains. This is the one that I'm going to upload to, seangriffin.hostoid.com. To the right, there's an action column. Go to the C panel, the control panel. I'm going to follow this link. On the resulting page, I see all the control panel items. I scroll down to the File section, and I click on the File Manager. And you may be prompted to log in. I had logged in earlier, so I'm not re-prompted to. If you don't know what your login is, it's going to be a login that was provided to you when you set up your account with 000WebHost, and it should have arrived via email or immediately after you set up your account with 000WebHost. They gave you a username and a password. That's for FTP. That's for this control panel file manager, so that you can log in and have access to your files. There is a public underscore HTML folder under the root, and that is where all of your web pages will go for this course. In fact, that's where WebHost wants you to put your files. So I click on that folder, and now that I've drilled down in it, I'm ready to upload. But first, I'm going to create a new directory. And I can create up to 5 new directories at a time. And for this course, I think a good organization method is to create week folders. So I'm going to create weeks 1 through 5. And hit the checkbox, the little check mark. Go back. Now I can see under my public underscore HTML folder, I now have weeks 1 through 5 folders. I'm going to click on week 1 to drill down into it, and I am ready to upload a file. Click the upload button and browse for the file that I want to upload. My file is on the desktop under Web Design. Week 1, I created a fake resume file. Just going to click on it and click my little checkbox to submit it. I get this message that tells me that resume.html has been transferred to the FTP server. That's great. So I've just uploaded my file. And what if I want to view it? Well, I can close this page that I'm in, and I'm back in the control panel. And at the top, if I scroll up to the very top, there's a list accounts tab. If I click it, I'll get a list of all of the domains that I've set up. And I've only set this one up, this seangriffin.hostoid.com. So I'm going to click on it, and I am taken to my website. I don't have a home page set up right now for this website, so I basically get a directory listing of the public underscore HTML folder. And under it, we created all these week folders, so that's what I see. Later on, maybe this week, maybe next, if you want to, you can create an index.html page that has links to all your week folders, so that when someone is directed to your site, there will be an index.html file under the public underscore HTML folder, and that's what users will see. I'm clicking on week 1. Under week 1, I can see that there's a resume.html file. If I were to click on it, and if it were a real file, it would display my resume. Right now it's just a fake file that I set up, so nothing displays. And that's how you upload files using the file manager.